Welcome to the Michael Lee Homes out in the Hartung community in Woodbury. I'm Michael Kootsikas, a local real estate agent, and I am going to be showing you this floor model, the Madison II, and the neighbor home right next door, Michael Lee, an incredible builder. Let's go take a tour and have some fun. Here are the two properties we will be touring. First one, Madison II floor plan on the left. And personally, I'm partial to this floor plan because there is a unique feature which I absolutely love. This home has tremendous curb appeal that is so inviting. It just makes you want to go inside and take a tour. And here we go. Holy smokes, look at this home. Check this out. Beautiful kitchen. Look at this floor plan. Nice and open. Elegant gas burning fireplace. Massive windows. Plenty of natural light. And let's go check out the kitchen first. These are going to be Samsung appliances. 5-burner gas stove. Tiled backsplash. And vent to keep all the odors out of your home. And listen, here we go. I didn't hear anything either because they are quiet, soft doors and cabinets throughout the entire home. And checking out these appliances, we have high-end Samsung appliances. Oh, it's a good day, not quite a good night yet. That sun is still up. We will not run out of space for food preparation on this extra large island overlooking this elegant living room with that gas burning fireplace. Plenty of room for all of your guests to sit and to be entertained. The quality and craftsmanship is exquisite throughout the home. The builder, Michael Lee, had his eye on even the smallest details of this home. There is plenty of seating room for all the guests in the dining room. Your dining room overlooks your backyard, which has a perfect setup for a large deck out there, and you'll still have plenty of room in the backyard to play. I really like all these light fixtures on the main floor. They just flow so effortlessly. And here we are, my favorite room of the house. Quite unique how you have this small sitting area off the dining room, but it's just a fun little place to relax and have a separate area for whoever needs it. I really love that feature. We'll go check out the rest of the kitchen as there is a large pantry, plenty of space for all of your goodies and baddies. The customization and upgrades continue as we enter the mudroom and closet, shiplap siding, and a bunch of hooks above your bench makes a great entrance to the home from the garage, which is a 3-stall garage, and it is extra deep on the one side over there. So plenty of storage for your vehicles and extra stuff. Oh, hey guy, how you doing? All right, there's that half bath right off the kitchen and entrance to the home. Now we'll go check out the front of the house that we skipped earlier. And there is a wide entrance. Again, a very tall door, plenty of light coming in. Off the front is this office with some nice corner windows. In my opinion, it is just the right size for an office. The front entrance has a small closet, but likely you'll be using the garage entrance. And we'll head upstairs. Again, attention to detail, the beautiful railing and staircase there. Another large window letting in plenty of light. The carpet upstairs is plush and feels so comfortable on your feet. As you get upstairs, there is the large loft. There it is for another entertainment space. A great feature about this Madison II floor plan is that you have 4 bedrooms up the loft and your laundry. There is no shortage of space up here. Each bedroom has a deep closet. The first 2 bedrooms have a Jack and Jill bathroom attached to it. And what I really enjoy about this, once we get there, there's that shub tower combo to make it a full bathroom. Quiet, soft doors and drawers once again. And here's what I like. A little pocket door, a space saver for bedroom number 2 that we are checking out right now, with a beautiful view out the back. There it is, another deep closet, plenty of space. And we'll go across the hallway to check out the laundry room. Your future washer and dryer will go against that back wall where those baskets are. Large folding area and extra storage underneath. And holy cow, let's check out this primary suite. You will sleep easy in here. Come on, look at that tray ceiling and a perfect choice of light fixture. What a way to start or end your day. And it only gets better as we enter the primary bathroom. Large soaking tub, freestanding shower, fully tiled floor and wall. We're going to have Moen fixtures for the handles and shower head. White subway tiles across the back. And would you look at this paradise in here? An oasis for your clothes and shoes and belongings. I sure hope you're not going to complain about the size of this master closet. King and Queen's throne is tucked away nicely here. I'll give you a quick shot before we check out the dual vanity that has extra space for all of your belongings and toiletries. Check that out. And hey, guy, how you doing? Yeah, you. Sweet headband. Yep, you. Yeah, there you go. All right, let's move on. Now we're going to go back down the hallway to check out the 4th bedroom. All 4 bedrooms are up on the top floor. There's a 5th down in the basement. And the 4th bedroom has an ensuite bathroom, making it a great spot for all of your guests. Full bathroom with the tub shower combo. By now, what you've probably noticed is that all of the cabinets, counters, and vanities are the same high quality throughout the home. I really truly like that feature in this Michael Lee home. We'll finish the interior tour as we go down to the finished basement. And sorry about that little glitch right there, glitch in the matrix. But the basement has plenty of natural light flowing into it. The ceilings are nice and tall, making it not feel cramped whatsoever. And take a look at this space, another area perfect for entertaining, another separate area for playing. Check it out. We'll do the dirty work first and go in and check the mechanicals. Lennox high-end furnace there, water heater, we got the radon mitigation system, we have the sump pump, we have the drain tile underneath. Another feature I really like is that the storage underneath the stairs is in the same area as your storage room already. Now on to the 5th and final bedroom in this home. And just like the others, you have a deep walk-in closet. There she be. And we'll head across the hallway to check out the bathroom. Again, same high-end cabinets, countertops, and flooring. Full bathroom. And before we are done with the basement, a little bit of extra storage before we go check out the exterior. Let me throw on my boots real quick. Come on, Mike. Come on. Get him on. Get him on. Would you check out that view out the back door? A walkout home. This home sits on 0.2 acres, so even if you choose to add a deck, maybe a wraparound porch there, you will have plenty of room to play, and the yard is very flat until you reach just the back end of the property line for all your drainage. The fortunate thing for this home is that it was able to be sodded before the winter hit this year, so all the grass is in place and fortified and should be nice and green this coming spring. Both of these homes feature cement board siding around the entire property. We'll give you a quick shot of the neighborhood. On that end is a cul-de-sac, and we'll wrap around, and this road down to the right will curve around. There'll be 26 total homes built in this Hartung Farm community here in Woodbury. Let's go check out the Monroe model. Now, a couple differences between this home and the Madison II, which we just saw, is that the Monroe is going to be a bit smaller. It has 2,750 square feet finished above grade, where the Madison II was just over 2,900 finished square feet. This home does not have a finished basement, so obviously the size different, and the unfinished basement will bring this home in at a lower starting price point. You can speak with the builder to get that basement finished. And one thing I love about this model, this floor plan, is that your deck is a little bit more private, built right off to the side of the home. Each home in this community has its own special features and customizations. For example, this home has these coved bookshelves that are on each side of the fireplace. The same Samsung appliances are in both of these homes. Quiet soft doors and drawers on these properties. A little bit of a smaller pantry. Again, this is going to be a smaller footprint of a home, so you're not going to get some of that extra space that the Madison II floor plan has for you. The garage is going to be a 3-car garage, just like the previous home. And there we are. Open concept, nice features, great place to entertain. On the top floor, there are going to be 4 bedrooms, just like the previous home. However, with this space, you are going to miss out on that extra entertainment space of the loft. Another big difference between the floor plans is the primary suite is at the top of the staircase, but I do love the vaulted ceilings. As we walk past the dual vanity, I will show you my favorite feature about this home. You're going to pass through your walk-in closet, again, nicely sized, plenty of room. But this door is also going to lead into your laundry room, which leads out into the hallway. So all the clothes can easily be put in the laundry room from each and every bedroom. Separate tub and shower. And there is the throne again. And don't do it. Don't. Oh my goodness. Even I embarrass myself sometimes. But let's continue the tour. Let's check out bedroom number 2, which is as cute as can be. I love the bench right underneath the window there. Just a fantastic little feature. Like the other home, we're going to have a Jack and Jill bathroom with the dual vanity and the separate tub shower toilet area. And on to the 3rd bedroom, another ledge for sitting. There is a fantastic place to read a book or watch the rain fall down. On to the 4th and final bedroom upstairs. It is going to have an attached private bathroom, full bathroom, because you have the tub shower combo. White subway tiles are ran vertically up the shower to make it even feel bigger and brighter than it already is. If I haven't mentioned this yet about the community, there are no HOA fees whatsoever, because there is not an HOA associated with Hartung Farm here in Woodbury. We'll talk through the basement quickly. As you get down the steps, the first thing you'll notice on the far end is going to be where your future bathroom will go. And on the right side where the window is, that will be your bedroom right there and there. Just like the other basement, plenty of windows and light coming in. As we span to the right, here is going to be your family room, still with plenty of space. You definitely don't have to finish the basement. You could always keep it open for some rollerblade hockey or just some rough housing if you choose. And that, folks, is the Monroe floor plan built by Michael Lee. And just like the other, a fantastic option, but this one is coming in at a slightly lower price due to the size and unfinished basement. Thank you for spending some time with me as we toured these Michael Lee homes in the Hartung community in Woodbury. As a reminder, buy or sell with me, you get a headband for free. And that's what I'm talking about. We'll see you next time.